How to add or remove, reduce transparency to the accessibility shortcut menu on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, we tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down to the bottom. Then tap on Accessibility Shortcut. Then we scroll down. And in here, tap on Reduce Transparency. Tap on the menu item to select or deselect it. Now, if you select the item and when you click on the triple click on the side button, this will bring up the accessibility shortcuts menu. And in here, you can see it has the option for you to select Reduce Transparency. Now, to remove it from the menu, from this menu, we can deselect the item, and that will remove from your accessibility shortcuts menu. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.